In this video, we'll discuss rule number 4 of winning traders, which is, do not overtrade. Overtrading means getting in and out of trades again and again. Overtrading is a common pitfall in the world of trading. It's a behavior that can lead to severe financial losses and psychological stress. Traders who overtrade find themselves chasing the market, deviating from their well-thought-out systems, and making impulsive decisions. Fortunately, overtrading can be addressed and conquered. In this video, we will explore effective strategies to fix overtrading once and for all, allowing you to trade with discipline and achieve better long-term results. 1. Identify the trigger. Overtrading is often triggered by factors such as the desire for quick profits, boredom, or emotional reactions to past trades. Whenever you're about to get into a trade impulsively, identify the trigger behind the emotion. What is it that's making you neglect your trading system and trade recklessly? If doing it while trading is challenging, do it while journaling after the trade is over. Note down the trigger that made you get into the trade. Was it a desire for quick profit? Was it boredom? Was it an emotional reaction to some past trades? Was it FOMO? Was it for thrill and excitement, or was it something else? Identifying the trigger is crucial because we cannot cure something that we cannot diagnose. Once you've correctly identified the trigger, you can then change your response to that trigger. 2. Trade your plan. Whenever you're faced with such a trigger again, remind yourself that only by following your trading plan with discipline can you become successful in this game. Your trading plan is your roadmap for trading. If you deviate from the plan, you also deviate from your journey towards success. And once you deviate from the path, you might wander in circles over and over again, without ever reaching your destination of consistent profits. Learn to see the markets through the lens of your trading plan. What I mean by this is that make your plan the primary focus of trading, and following that plan must be your only goal. Things like excitement, thrill, quick profits, might seem very appealing in the short term, but they do not lead to long-term profits and success in trading. 3. Focus on quality over quantity. It's easy to fall into the quantity trap, believing that the more trades you make, the better your chances of striking it rich. However, this approach will only make your brokers rich. Overtrading will lead to increased commissions, emotional exhaustion, and losses that will blow your capital much quickly than anything else. Your aim should be to choose the highest quality trades, not the most number of trades. Decide number of trades in a day, and in no circumstances can you exceed that number. Once you have reached the decided number of trades limit, you should close your trading terminal till the market is over. 4. Always remember rule number 1. No big losses. Like I said in my rule number 1 video, lots of small losses can also become a big loss. Which is why it is crucial that you do not exceed your decided risk limit. Learn to keep your emotions in check to overcome overtrading. In my previous video, I discussed how to keep your emotions in check. If you haven't watched that video, please watch it by clicking here, because, in that video, I have given 2 powerful ways that winners use to keep their emotions in check while trading. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video if you found anything of value.